What if the motorcycle that finally convinces dare-hard motocross riders to abandon gasoline has already been invented, and it's about to become even better? For years, riders have argued that electric bikes could never replace the sound, smell, and raw excitement of a traditional motocross machine. But then the Stark VARG arrived and completely changed the conversation. It wasn't just another electric dirt bike. It proved that electric performance could compete with, and in many situations even outperform, the best 450 cubic centimeters motocross bikes on the planet. So now the question isn't whether electric motocross has a future. The real question is this: what could a 2027 Stark 5 ARG look like? Welcome back to Acer Rider. Today we're exploring the possible evolution of one of the most revolutionary motocross bikes ever created. And trust me, the biggest upgrade might not be more power. Stay with me until the end, because we'll come back to that. The original Stark 5 ARG didn't become famous because it looked different. It became famous because it challenged everything riders thought they knew about motocross. While most manufacturers continued refining internal combustion engines, Stark Future started with a blank sheet of paper and asked a completely different question. What if a motocross bike didn't need an engine at all? The results shocked the motorcycle world. Instead of building an electric bike that merely competed with traditional machines, Stark created one that delivered instant torque, impressive power, remarkably low maintenance, and performance that quickly earned the respect of professional riders. The latest VA, RGMX 1.2, continues that philosophy with an updated chassis, a larger 7.2 kilowatt-hour battery, improved efficiency, and up to 80 horsepower depending on configuration. Personally, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons the VARG has become such an important motorcycle. It didn't ask riders to lower their expectations because it was electric. It challenged the idea that electric motorcycles had to make compromises. If Stark Future develops a 2027 version, I believe the design will continue following the company's minimalist philosophy. At first glance, it would still look unmistakably like a VARG, but subtle refinements could make it even slimmer, lighter, and easier to control. The bodywork could become more compact, allowing greater rider movement through corners and over jumps. The side panels might be redesigned to improve airflow around the battery system while maintaining the clean appearance that has become one of the VARG's trademarks. Personally, I hope Stark keeps the styling simple. One thing I really admire about the VARG is that nothing feels unnecessary. Every line has a purpose. Every component exists to improve performance. That's exactly how a race motorcycle should be designed. Now let's talk about performance. This is where the VARG has always separated itself from conventional motocross bikes. Unlike a gasoline engine that builds power through the rev range, the electric motor delivers maximum torque almost instantly. That means explosive acceleration, exiting corners, and immediate throttle response without waiting for the engine to build, RPM. A future 2027 model could feature an even more efficient electric motor with improved thermal management, allowing riders to maintain peak performance for longer sessions without sacrificing reliability. Battery technology will likely be one of the biggest areas of improvement. The current Murad AR GMX 1.2 already features a larger battery with improved range compared to earlier versions. Looking ahead to 2027, it's realistic to imagine increased energy density, faster charging, and even longer ride times while keeping overall weight under control. Personally, I think extending ride time would be far more valuable than simply increasing horsepower. The VARG already has more than enough performance for most riders. Giving racers additional laps before recharging would be an even bigger advantage. The chassis could also continue evolving. A lighter frame with revised flex characteristics could improve front-end feel while maintaining excellent stability through rough sections. Updated KYB suspension with revised valving could provide even greater confidence over braking bumps, large jumps, and technical terrain. Braking performance would likely remain among the best in the class, possibly with further refinements to regenerative braking adjustment, allowing riders to fine-tune how aggressively the motorcycle slows when the throttle is closed. One of the VARG's biggest strengths has always been customization. Instead of changing sprockets or engine components, riders can simply adjust power delivery electronically. Different riding modes allow the motorcycle to simulate everything from a beginner-friendly trail bike to an aggressive factory-level motocross machine. I wouldn't be surprised if a 2027 version introduced even smarter software. Imagine artificial intelligence analyzing riding style and automatically suggesting suspension settings, throttle maps, or regenerative braking adjustments based on track conditions. That sounds futuristic today. But honestly, so did an 80 horsepower electric motocross bike just a few years ago. Personally, I hope Stark Future continues focusing on software improvements as much as mechanical upgrades. Unlike traditional motorcycles, electric platforms become more capable through both hardware and software development. That's a fascinating direction for the industry. Weight reduction would almost certainly remain another priority. Every kilogram removed improves handling, acceleration, jumping, and rider confidence. Advances in battery chemistry and materials could make future VARG models even lighter while preserving their incredible performance. Looking at today's motocross world, it's becoming increasingly clear that electric motorcycles are no longer experimental machines. They're legitimate competitors. And whether riders prefer gasoline or electricity, competition pushes every manufacturer to build better motorcycles. That's good news for everyone. If Stark Future continues improving the VARG at its current pace, I genuinely believe the 2027 version could become one of the most advanced motocross motorcycles available, regardless of how it's powered. As for pricing, a future model would likely remain in the premium performance category, potentially starting between $13,000 and $15,000, depending on battery options, software packages, and market conditions. Now let's come back to the surprise I mentioned at the beginning. I said the biggest upgrade might not be more power, and I still believe that's true. The biggest evolution could actually be rider confidence. The easier a motorcycle is to control, customize, and trust, the faster riders naturally become. The VARG has already shown that electric power can compete. Now the next challenge is making electric motocross feel completely natural for every rider who swings a leg over it. Personally, I think that's where the real revolution begins. Now I'd love to hear your opinion. If Stark Future officially unveiled a 2027 Stark VARG, what improvement would excite you the most? Longer range, faster charging, less weight, smarter software, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Acer Rider, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest motorcycle stories, realistic concept reviews, and future bike discussions. Before we wrap up, here's an important disclaimer. The 2027 Stark VARG discussed in this video has not been officially announced by Stark Future. This concept is based on the current VARG platform, recent VARGMX 1.2 developments, industry trends, enthusiast expectations, my personal opinions, and AI-assisted creative visualization for entertainment and discussion purposes only. Until next time, ride safe, keep an open mind, and remember, the future of motocross may sound very different, but it can still deliver the same adrenaline.